Okay guys, that was a 15-minute YouTube break. Now, one more thing we need out here is this particular unsubscribe number state, because this would be equal to the person ID. So I'm gonna say dollar unsubscribe ID is equal to dollar post, again double quotes, unsubscribe dollar X. Okay, and here we can actually send that per particular person's ID. So I can say dollar unsubscribe ID. Okay, I think that's fine. And then we can also attach the dollar. What I'm doing? No, that would be our dollar body. But this is not the right way, I believe. Okay, that would be our dollar message actually first. That won't be dollar body, but there is some error out here. So I need this and this. No. Okay, let's leave it first. Make it like this. I'm gonna pin the body in the front, not in the back. So I can say dollar message like this. Okay, and the message will actually be equals to our this one. So it would be description, not message. So I can say description. I believe that's all fine. Now we can write our mail function. I have some headers out here that I use all the time. I'm gonna paste them out. So here would be something like this. So I'm gonna say dollar from would be equals to from dollar. Oh my gosh, why everything is going out of my head? Would be send or email. Okay, this would be send or email. Out here, there are some syntax error out here on the top. I'm not sure where the error is, but there is an error somewhere. Okay, this alt is the actual error. Now it's fine, guys. And reply to will be equal to send or email again. And here would be dollar $2. This would be dollar subject. Okay, this would be body and this would be headers. Okay, and after that we need to write our track email.php file out here. So I'm gonna say track email.php. Okay, open it, and then I'm gonna say php if is set dollar get id. Is that id or something else? That is eid, email id. So if you're getting this, then dollar id is equals to dollar get eid, and then I'm gonna run a SQL query. I'm gonna say mysql query update send list. This is the name of the table we haven't created, but don't worry, we're gonna create it. Update send list set red equals to 1. Actually not this particular one, we have to say guestbook. I'm gonna say guestbook set email red equals to 1, where id is equals to dollar id. Okay, limit 1, r die mysql error. Okay, I believe that looks good. And out here we can add one more field in our guest book, that would be email, right? So I'm going to go to structure. I will add one more field in the very last. I'm going to say email read. This would be equals to integer, or I would say small integer 3, and by default it would be 0. And then I'm going to hit save. Go and check it out. So all of those have an email read to 0. Once they will open the email, that image will get loaded, and once that image will get loaded, this script will get run and it will change this particular 0 to 1. So go ahead, send email, and let's see what happens. One more thing we need is out here on the top, you can say error reporting to 0 to get rid of those errors that you're getting. Okay, so again, go back, refresh. I'm only gonna send to this particular one because these emails does not exist, so there is no point to send it to those. I'm gonna hit send. Okay, that's fine. Come here, let's see whether we get our email or not. Okay, finally we got it. So it would be sending to this particular email address, that is my work email. So I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna say mail.vns ltd.in. Okay, and here I'm gonna enter my credentials to see whether I received any. Okay, it's went from there and it's loading out here. Here it says this is the one we actually sent right now. Okay, it's loading. And once I'm gonna load the images to this particular page, let's see what happens, whether it changed anything out here or not. No, it didn't. So there might be some error with our script out here. Not out here, out here. As it's update guestbook set email read equals to 1, where ID is equals to $ID. Let's run this page out here. So I'm gonna say localhost slash newsletter slash track email.php, and I'm gonna take this off from here if it's that kind of a thing, because we are not actually sending any get variables. So refresh. There's no database selected. My god, that was horrible. We are doing it without selecting any database. Include commands would be scripts slash connection.php. Guys, once again we're gonna send the email and let's see what happens. Resend. It's done. It might be here in a second. Okay, it's here now, and I'm gonna delete these two emails that I already have. Okay, that's done, and let's see what happened this time. Hope so we would be able to update our database successfully. It might take some time because it is a free SMTP server, so it cannot be like very fast like the one we have on our remote hosting. It's still idle. Oh my gosh, it's taking a lot of time. And if you want to see what we are exactly sending, you can double click on it. Here it will show you from which email you are sending to who and the subject has been. Okay. Now it might will process it. No, again I did. Not sending. It's gone. Come back here. Here is my email. I'm gonna hit display images below and let's see what happened to our database. Again, it's not updated. My god, I'm not sure why I have a lot of errors. Again, I'm gonna take this set kind of a thing off and let's see if I again have some errors. This is include one script slash, first it's script not scripts, my bad. If you have wrote it right, you might have got it till now. Okay, now it will work. I'm 120% sure. One more try, guys. I'm really sorry. But I believe a lot of you have already got it because it was my error. I have wrote the wrong folder name. Alright, and I'm back. I'm gonna delete this one and I'm gonna wait for the next one. And yes guys, one more thing, like I was hitting on the display images below because by default Gmail will never let you load any images on someone's email, so they will have to click on display images below in order to like before you can run any kind of a script. So that's the only way I know, and if you people know any better way than this, then you can surely let me know. And what I believe like 90% of people do it like this. I have seen some very big email test rooms who even charge you to send emails. They also do it in the same way. Once you will hit display images below, then only they can track it, because Gmail will never let you load any kind of images until and unless the person will not hit display images below. Okay, still waiting. It's on idle mode. It's damn slow. Oh my gosh. To our users to send now. Everything looks pretty fine out here, so there was only error out here, and I believe it would be able to do it this time. 120% sure. Just waiting for this email to go, or what I'm gonna. Okay, no, now it's gonna send it. Yes, sending, done. Come here. I have my email. I'm gonna hit display images below. Come to our database. Okay, finally we have one out here. Okay, because I read the email and I let Gmail load the images sent by myself. Okay, so here it says one. Now we can actually get the records which all people have read the emails and which don't. As this is the best way I know. If you are better geek than me, then you can obviously let me know. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.